Another day in the hood. Hey, Amira. She's getting used to this, say. She's getting used to the walk. Hey, baby. Hi, Lovey. Anyways, good morning, everyone. It is another day here in Paradise. So today is going to be a full day of, would you say sightseeing? No. We're taking her to Sea Life, which is like Kelly Tartan in Auckland, and also wildlife. What's the other one?
Madame Tussauds.
Madame?
Tussauds. It's like a wax museum.
Oh, okay. And the wax museum. So, yeah, excited. Excited to be taking my little girl there. She loves fishies because in Sofitel at the reception area there's fishes like right behind the reception area. So, and she really enjoyed that. So I think she's gonna enjoy this sea life today. She's gonna see a lot of big fishes. Hey? You ever see a lot of big fishies for the first time? Lovey? And some wild animals. What do you say? Don't ruin the photo. Aw, cute. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. But first, we got to have breakfast. We cannot do anything. Well, I cannot do anything without breakfast. So we're gonna go to the food court area. It's right next to the mall, so we're gonna go there, have breakfast, and then probably shop a little bit for baby as she does need winter clothes. Winter is coming, so we gotta stack up on them winter clothes. Wanna start? What? Is it cold, baby? No, the wind is coming from that side, so that's good. She's got a really nice outfit on.
Are we going to move?
Yeah. Where do you want to have breakfast?
Over there at the back.
Well, don't talk about that because we're here. Bikes are annoying because they don't really peep. You just have to be aware that, just be aware of the bike sound and then because they don't really peep, eh? Yeah. What if someone's got like AirPods on? Sydney's nice. We haven't been to the opera house area. If we have enough time today, then we'll definitely check it out. We have to check it out before we leave Sydney. That's what Sydney's known for, eh? The opera house. And of course, get some photos there. Honestly, this city, well, at least this area, really reminds me of Auckland. You know, the viaduct area. It's exactly the same as where we are. Look. And the bridge that opens up over there. We have that in Auckland too, at the viaduct area. And that's where we have sea life and wildlife. I yeah, but yeah, they're all located over there.
Then we're gonna go there, Madame Tussauds.
Oh right, 3 package.
Can we go from here?
Yeah,
First time we go.
yeah. We'll go the same. Take the same route. Otherwise, we get lost.
Hey.
Yeah. 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 Hi, baby, darling. Hi, baby. She's enjoying the ride. Hi, lovey. I think 2.
2?
Yeah, 2. I don't know, 1 or 2. I have no idea. Yeah. Yeah, see? That's where we're supposed to go. Look at the traffic, you guys. If I was living in Sydney, I would be coming here every single week. Once a week at least. Look at the traffic there. Just kidding. I wouldn't come here once a week. I will come here maybe once a month. You know, make the trip worth it. I love you. I like how she's enjoying the rain. Yeah. Place where we can fix the laptop is on Pitt Street. That's where it is. So we'll go there first, and then breakfast. This morning Amara said mama, like clearly, and papa. Mama, papa, and dada. That means that she's starting to talk like properly, which is so cool. Can we make it? Can we make it? Yeah, we can. We can. Look at that. That's where the cafe is. Like pretty much most of the cafes are in there. But we're going to drop off my laptop because we need to get it fixed. History? History? I thought, you know what? I thought that guy was wearing a designer, yeah, like Audi or something.
That's cute.
But then I looked at it, it was cutie. The hotel, they have their own uniform for their own security. Looks mean, eh? I thought it was, you know, those celebrities where they have bodyguards and stuff. Because he's got the thingy on the ear as well. That's funny.
Give money to her. I put this here.
What for?
Because
No, don't. That's a scam.
no, I just put it there.
No, it's a scam.
That's how you
He's gonna go something. I think he's gonna ruin something.
Oh, look how
Guys, and I've got a dishwasher, so I don't feel
They've got this here right in the middle of the city. Good?
pretty good.
How much?
5.7
Get more. It doesn't matter, but get more for today, tomorrow, the following day. I don't like how you shop. What do you want, my love? Do the other side. Aw, you pretty little girl. Alright, so let's see what we can have for breakfast this morning. You want egg Benedict?
Baby!
Hey baby, I got you a cupcake. Lovey. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Let me put her sleeves up. It's dangerous. Gabby? Guys, I got a matcha, a strawberry vanilla matcha. So good. Oh my god, that's really good. Hey, Pippi. This is her favorite. She loves blueberry. Loaded croissants.
bacon and
Yeah. This is so good. It's got eggs, cheese, and bacon inside.
we just get her stuff.
And then we'll go. So this is what Kabi did. Nice. And that's for me. What are you eating? Tata. Tata. So we're at my favorite store. So my favorite store, that is Lululemon, guys. I love the store. I get most of my clothes from here. Really good gym clothes. Mara's taking a nap. Thank you. I'll just hang here. Oh, baby. Thanks. We're here now. So we're gonna go get our tickets and then enjoy. Fishies, look! Fishies! Fishies love you! See?
We rely on this delicate marine ecosystem to survive. But unfortunately,
Stand there. Is that a fishy? Yeah. Oh, there's so many here.
Instead, we have our Jackson shark eggs. They don't have any shark embryos inside, but they're just the shells in the top. This one's our baby shark egg. We have our bread sausage sea cucumbers. They're really squishy to touch. Just making sure that you're using one finger and one finger only to touch and feel any of our sea bridges. We're going to
Hi! Look. Look at the fishies. That's my favorite one. Delicious.
Still here.
Look, baby, look at the fishy. What's he saying? Say hi. Maya, hi. Hi, Lucas. Lucas. Lucas.
Smells so good here.
Look, baby. Look up. This one's so beautiful.
See the silver.
Go show them it. That's lettuce.
Huh?
So they eat lettuce?
Yeah,
I was expecting like big fishes, but
पैसा बचो तो हम मिल ले पाके मिल ले
मथे लिखे हुए फ्री सुविधा
Myra.
है ना हेटा ना यहाँ लोग इन करने जाता ये बड़े सेंटोसा टाइप पे जाए मैं बना हुआ है ये बड़े शार्प से ही होता है
मैं नीचे
हाँ
Look at his tail.
that's a massive shark. Oh, look This one, like they just chill there, right? She is looking at it. You want to touch? Yeah. You want to touch? Touch. Another one. Another one. Look at it. I think that's a female shop over there. Oh,
Amara.
Look at that shark. Look at that shark.
Bye, Shaki. Bye. See you next time. Bye, Shak. She loved it. What do you think of the shark? That fish is dangerous.
This island is home to over 4 million penguins. I'm pretty sure we'll find the colony of
But it's cold.
and Gen 2 today.
It's so cold. Is it cold, my love? Hi, penguin. Look, baby.
Hi, you wanna go up?
Looks like we've got some wet weather up ahead. Not to worry, we're nearly at the beach.
Literally. Mara, look over there. Go there. Ah, baby, look. Stingray. Stingray, look up there. Turtles. You're supposed to be down there, my love. There, look, fishies. Watch her, watch her. Yeah, she knows how to go down. What a smart girl. You can go down, my love.
girl stand there. Girl stand here.
Where's my baby girl? So we're at Wildlife now, and I'm excited because it's gonna be me and Amara's first time seeing kangaroos. I've seen koala because there's always koala in the Auckland Zoo, but yeah, we're gonna be seeing kangaroos for the first time. I know. Are you excited? Huh? I know, I've never seen kangaroos in the Northern Territory. Oh, there. Amara, look. Where's Amara? Amara, Pippi, are you seeing this? She's so unbothered. Oh, really? Oh, really? That's how it is now, eh? Not sharing, eh? That's how it is now. Snake. Ooh. What is this one called? Eastern tiger snake. Yeah, the snake is sleeping at the moment. Yeah, look. There's three. Oh my god.
I love
Look, Mara, baby. Look here. What's this? Baby, what's this? Snake. Hey, what is this? Yay, look. Look at the baby kangaroos. Look at the baby kangaroos. This is my first time seeing kangaroos in real life. Oi. Oi. Oh, look, baby. She doesn't care. She doesn't care. Oi. What's that?
As this great black bird descends to the earth, its soft supply, and its head.
What do you think? So bye, kangaroo. Bye. I'm starting to get hungry. Yeah. Starting to get hungry. this? What's this? Crocodiles, baby. Mary, look.
Okay.
Koala's hiding in there. Ma. Ma. Sleeping. Ma, look. Koala. My favorite. Fifi, that's the famous guy. That's so cool. Candy. Oh, Obama. Oh. You want a photo with that dude? Oh yeah. This is me and Amara's section. take a photo with Priyanka. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. 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 Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah. We'll get one. I want to have a look at the gym. Let's have a look. Oh, can you do your thing? Nice. It's good for those who are maintaining it while on holiday. Are you ready to go down? It's deep. It's pretty deep. So we're just gonna be on the steps. Yeah. You like it? Look at that. Hey guys, just an update. We got to the room after the pools and we just slept. Now me and Cubby just woke up and we just ordered food on Uber Eats. We were actually planning to go have dinner outside, but we just can't get our legs to move. And yeah, Amira is currently sleeping. I think she's gonna wake up soon. She's so tired, but she really enjoyed the pool. She loves the pool. So yeah, we just ordered Indian food, which will be arriving in about 30 minutes. So hungry and so tired. Today was really good. Our Indian food has arrived. We are so hungry. And Amira woke up. Hi, Myra. Yeah. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. She's having a naan. What is this one?
It's a lamb.
Lamb kofta or something? Garlic paratha. Baby, careful. Careful. Yeah. Yep. Good girl. just came out for a walk. It's so busy. Hey.